In 2024, crypto headlines didn't just move charts, they moved people. Some stories created hope, some created fear, and some quietly destroyed lives. Millions believed them, trillions reacted to them. But looking back now, the truth is much clearer. Today, we're going back in time to revisit the biggest crypto stories of 2024 and see which ones aged well and which ones didn't. This isn't hype, this is a recap. In 2024, a former US president made a crypto move nobody expected. At the time, NFTs were considered dead, crypto regulation was tightening globally, and mainstream adoption felt further away than ever. That's when this post began circulating, pulling over 1 million views in hours. The headline was simple but explosive. Donald Trump planned to release his 4th NFT collection and publicly stated his desire for the United States to lead the cryptocurrency space. This wasn't just another NFT drop, it was a political figure tying his image directly to crypto. But here's what most people didn't stop to ask. Was this about real crypto adoption, or was it just another attention-driven play? And more importantly, did it actually change anything? Looking back, the NFTs did what NFTs usually do. They generated hype, they sparked debate, they sold out quickly. But they didn't change policy, they didn't change regulation. What they did change was perception. Crypto wasn't just financial anymore, it was political. And once that door opened, it never fully closed. And this was only the beginning. This single headline convinced millions that Bitcoin was about to explode. In July 2024, markets were extremely sensitive to regulation news. Any signal from China, positive or negative, had the power to move the entire market. Then this claim began spreading rapidly. Posts stated that China planned to lift its cryptocurrency ban in Q4 2024, opening a massive market for Bitcoin and crypto. The reactions were immediate. Millions of views, tens of thousands of likes. Traders positioned early, optimism surged. But here's the part that mattered most. China never officially confirmed it. No announcement, no policy document, no regulatory change. Just speculation, repeated enough times to feel real. Looking back, the market didn't react to facts. It reacted to belief. This story didn't move Bitcoin because it was true. It moved Bitcoin because people wanted it to be true. And in crypto, belief often moves faster than reality. While traders celebrated green candles, danger was quietly building. Mid-2024 charts were everywhere. Top 10 large-cap gainers, triple-digit percentage growth. Confidence was back. Tokens were up hundreds of percent in just months. Social media declared the bull run confirmed. But rapid growth always hides one question. Where is the risk? Because in every cycle, parabolic growth attracts greed, and greed attracts blind spots. Looking back, not every gainer was strong. Not every rally was sustainable. And history repeated its oldest lesson. Price movement alone is not progress. This wasn't hype. This was damage. WazirX was one of India's most well-known cryptocurrency exchanges, handling billions in user funds. For many users, it was crypto. In 2024, WazirX was hacked for $235 million. Attackers targeted major tokens on the Ethereum network: Pepe, Gala, and USDT. Funds vanished. And here's the scary part. Most users never saw it coming. No warning, no time to react. The lesson was harsh, but familiar. Exchanges are convenient, but they are never risk-free. And in crypto, security failures don't trend, they hurt quietly. This crypto story ended in handcuffs. Investors were promised something irresistible. A cryptocurrency supposedly backed by gold, stability, security. Himalaya Coin, or H-Coin, raised nearly $500 million from retail investors. The claim was simple, 20% gold-backed. The reality was not. The gold never existed. Funds were misused. Promises collapsed. Arrests followed in 2023, and in 2024, sentencing arrived. This story wasn't about technology, it was about trust. Crypto doesn't eliminate trust, it exposes who abuses it. Looking back, 2024 wasn't just about prices, it was about narratives, belief, fear, and human behavior. Some stories aged well, others aged badly, but every single one left a lesson. Crypto doesn't change human nature, it amplifies it. And the next cycle will repeat these same patterns, just with new names, new tokens, and new headlines. If you enjoy crypto history told like a story, not hype, not predictions, but perspective, subscribe. Because the past doesn't just explain crypto, it warns us.